Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create flashcards in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want to create your own flashcards in Goodnotes? It's easy and perfect for studying, so let me show you how to set them up step by step. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the application Goodnotes. We're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and there you're gonna look for the Goodnotes application. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure to click on install, and once the installation is completed, you're gonna log in with your Google account. Now Goodnotes have a premium version that has a lot of features that require you to pay for them. Like for Marketplace, you can head here and search for like creators, work, study, life, etc. You can open the search bar. Let's look, for example, for flashcards. Right here, you can find templates. Like here, we're gonna choose flashcards. Now, if you have premium version, or if you are willing to pay for this templates, you can use these types or etc. As you can see, the prices is under there. Now to use them, you're gonna open a document by creating a new document, and then you're gonna open the flashcard sets and write your question on one side of the card. For example, you're gonna go to the documents. I'm gonna open an already existing one. Then you're gonna write your question on one side of the card and add the answer on the back. Then you're gonna save the card and repeat the process for your card. Alternatively, you can make a shape that resembles to a flashcard and keep flipping it just and writing the answer, etc. Then you're gonna add the answer on the back and save the card and repeat the process for more cards. Then you're gonna organize your flashcard by topic for easier studying. And that's it. Keep your questions clear and short and focus on one concept per card. Now creating your own flashcards helps you learn effectively. Start building your set today and study smarter. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.